Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on how to block someone on Gmail from sending you emails in easy way. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so we can't miss any steps on this process. Now let's jump into the video. The first thing we need to do is open your Gmail and make sure that you're logged into the Gmail account. And then go to the settings icon in the top right and tap again settings. And as you can see here in the settings, go to filters and block addresses. Then we can create a new filter. What you need to do is enter in the email address in the box here, and that's gonna be the from box. We're going to enter the email here. And I already copy and paste it here as you can see. And then click on create filter. Then what we can do, and we've got some options here, but I'm going to click on delete. So if we get a message from this person we're going to block, it always be deleted. Then tap on create filter. And as you can see here, in every email that you receive from this person, it's gonna be deleted. And that's it. So before we end this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.